In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove labels in Microsoft Planner. To get started, open Microsoft Planner in your browser and go to the plan where your tasks are located. In this example, you will navigate to a plan called Project Management. The key is that you are inside the correct plan first, because labels are managed at the task level, and you need to open the specific task you want to update. Once you are in the Project Management plan, switch your view to Grid. The grid view is helpful because it shows tasks in a spreadsheet-style layout. This makes it easier to find a specific task quickly and review details like labels, assignments, and due dates without jumping between cards on a board. After you are in grid view, locate the task you want to edit and click directly on the task name. Clicking the task name opens the Task Details panel, where Planner stores the settings and information for that task. Take your time here to confirm you opened the correct task, especially if your plan has many items with similar names. With the task details open, find and click on Labels. This section controls the colored label tags attached to the task. Labels are often used to categorize work, such as priority, department, or status, so removing one can help keep your plan clean and accurate as priorities change. Next, click the highlighted label. In Planner, a highlighted label indicates it is currently applied to the task. Clicking it again toggles it off, which removes the label from that task. If you have more than one label applied, you can repeat the same action for any other highlighted labels you want to remove. But the main idea is simple. A label that is on will appear selected, and clicking it will unselect it. Once the label is no longer highlighted, the change is saved automatically in Microsoft Planner. You can close the task details and confirm the label no longer appears for that task in the grid. And that is all there is to it.